So this morning, I'll be replacing this pipe with this pipe. I'd say that I notice a noticeably larger difference in anything because this side matches up. This side matches up here, and then on this side, this is the back sides. They match up as well, so I can't really say I notice a difference there. Diameter is not much difference. Actually, the only thing that you can really see a difference is just the accordion style coupling in the middle, right there. Outside of that, can't really see much of a difference. And there it is, installed. And I'll tell you what, PRL was pretty clever because I usually don't like to have company names showing, because unless I'm getting paid by them, I don't promote the product like this. But the way that this tube is manufactured, I tried to flip it the other way so that the name was on the bottom, but it wasn't sitting properly on either end. So I actually had to rotate it for it to sit flush on both sides, which is where this logo ended up staying. The kit comes with the hose and these tube worm gears, and it took less than 10 minutes to do this whole thing. That's including removing this one and installing that one. So into the stock part bin you go. All right, first startup. Sounds the same, feels the same, idles the same. I guess I'll have to see this afternoon. So it's the next day, and I've taken the car for a drive last night, quite a long drive as a matter of fact. I can't say that I felt a noticeable power difference in the car, but then again, I can't really expect a power difference from just a coupler. Maybe there was a slight stronger velocity feel to it on the top end, but I mean, that could just be in my head, and I really couldn't back it with anything. I'd probably have to put the car on the dyno again just to see if it changed any kind of power. Maybe a dyno in a week. We'll see what happens.